Hello, hello. I made 3 dishes from my childhood. Those are one of my favorites. Spicy pig ears, and a mala spicy Chinese cucumber salad, and a fresh soy milk congee. And Gordon Ramsay's daughter, Telly Ramsay, tried to recreate on the show Dish It Out.
Hi, my name is Vivian Aronson. 你好. I cook Chinese food. Today, I'm so excited to share some cheese spicy pig ears.
That's amazing. The pig ears are almost looking like noodles when they're in a salad like that. They look delicious.
So happy cooking and measure with your eyeballs.
So today I'm gonna show you how I made this in my Chinese way. I made this video a little bit a while ago, but now finally I can show you. Let's get cooking. This is exciting. Can you see what it is? Pig ears. They might look a little scary, right? And bouncy. My kids play with it. The one thing you're gonna be careful is you see the cartilage in here. I usually cut this pig ear in half. Since you never slice a ear in your life, but today you will slice a ear. Boil the pig ears. Now bring pot of cold water, add star anise, Sichuan peppercorn, and a few slices of ginger, Chinese cooking wine. Yeah, do you notice? I don't use any measuring spoons. I measure with my Chinese eyeballs. But I have a recipe for you. I measure for you so you don't have to use your eyeballs. To start, it's pretty complicated. I know your eyeballs will be tired. Turn on high heat. Bring this to a boil. Then the pig ears jump in. Pig ears are in. Now we cook it for 20 minutes on medium high. Now in this separate bowl, we make the sauce for the pig ears. Now here, Telly, I measure again with my Chinese eyeballs. You can follow my recipe or practice your eyeballs with me. I can do this because I've done this many times. My eyeballs have been practicing for many years. Green onions and chili sauce. So this will taste tingling and numbing and spicy. So adjust your level of spiciness. I'm gonna add a whole jar. Oh, it smells so good. If you like more vinegar, add more vinegar. Mix everything together. Smells so good. So the sauce is ready to pour over your pig ears. Let's check the ears. It's ready. Turn off the heat. You take the ear out. Let it cool, don't burn yourself. Now the pig ears are cool. You can cut it. Look at the cartilage in the back here. Cut in half. Then you can cut it again, smaller. You see the white part? That's the cartilage. It's easier to hold it down. Cut into thin noodle shape, like that. Oh, so bouncy. The ears in the plate, pour over the sauce. We mix a little, like you're mixing with noodles. Let each piece soak in the sauce. I like to add some cilantro and roasted peanuts. Pig ears, what a perfect combo. This is a very special equipment you need to make soy milk. So this is really easy. To start, we add dried soybeans. Then my machine already had this water tank in the back, so the water comes in from the tank into the machine. If you have just a regular soy milk machine, you just add water. So now milk is done. We take this milk out. Oh, it's hot. So you can filter the milk with any cheesecloth or bag. Since I make a soy milk all the time, I just got this filter. Really easy. Milk will come down through here. But if you like the texture, you can keep the grind beans in here. Some people really love it. But if you filter it, you got more smooth texture. I use a spoon, make a circular motion. Do you see the milk dripping down through the filter? Now you can see the grind beans. You can save this. I have another recipe. My grandma will use this. Mix with rice flour, make this delicious steamed soybean cake. Let's try some. Creamy and smooth, has this special soybean fragrance. So we have the soy milk ready. Let's make the congee. I use 2 different kind of rice for congee. This is white rice and this is sticky rice. Always has better texture. Mix them together. Don't forget, wash your rice these 3 times. Get rid of the starch so your rice always tastes better. It's a simple thing. I'm surprised how many people didn't know you need to wash your rice. The sticky rice and rice, then fresh soy milk. You also need some water. So now we turn the heat. We're gonna do a medium high. When you boil the rice and the soy milk together in the beginning, don't put the lid on. Keep an eye on it, just stirring constantly, because this rice is really easy to stick on the bottom of the pot. Also, this soy milk is easy to boil all over, turning like a disaster. So keep an eye on this until it boils. And a little trick, I add some vegetable in. That actually prevents soy milk boiling too high and all over the place. So now the congee is boiled, we turn it down low. So now we turn on low heat. Maybe leave some little space to get the steam out. You just need to come back, check every 10-15 minutes, make sure the rice is not stick on the bottom. For example, this cleaver. This is a great tool. You can chop, slice, and also this. Smash! Like Chinese mom. My grandma we didn't even have a peeler. She even used this as a peeler. Peel ginger and chop the cilantro. What a great tool. So now after 40 minutes, check the congee. Consistency more like oatmeal, but a little thinner than oatmeal. You still see the liquid pouring in. So now we're serving the bowl. Smells so good. This one is for you. Here is the cucumber salad. And this is one of my kids' favorite dishes. So we will eat for lunch as an appetizer or one of the dishes for dinner. Remember, add a lot of garlic, lots of garlic. Let's taste one. So refreshing and crunchy. If you want to be an authentic Sichuan person like me, here, you pour over hot oil in your cold dish. Get the fragrance out. This way, elevate the flavor even more. Let's have an official meal. We share all this on the table. So creamy. This pig ear dish really a representation of the Sichuan food. Has all the flavor in here. And you taste the spicy and the numminess. This is the best part of the dish, the texture of the pig ears. Really crunchy, flavorful. Eat piece of peanut.
You know, when Telly tried to make this, she was so surprised by the texture. Let me show you her reaction.
Gonna get my pig's ears ready to slice. I'm just gonna start by chopping off the end of them. They've certainly got a springy texture. They're a little bit like the outside of a mushroom. They really do look like noodles. So I'm gonna pop my ears, not my ears.
If you want to see the full episode, the show is called Dish It Out on Amazon Prime. And now you know, this is the authentic way I make those dishes. I think she did it pretty well. I will see you next Saturday.